Hello, everybody. Welcome to Dr. Samuel Math. I am Dr. Samuel, and today we continue with basic algebra and move on to the topic substitution. Last time we looked at algebraic expressions, where you have an operation involving a symbol, and the symbol represents a certain value, which may or may not be known. In substitution, we are given the value of the unknown symbol or symbols, and you are asked to substitute that value or values in the expression in order to get the total value of the expression. And so that is what we are going to do today. What is important in doing those problems is that you have to understand signs and how you manipulate positive and negative signs when they are in an expression. So as we look at it, I will probably go through the rules of adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing by signs. So let's begin. So here we have two algebraic expressions. A is AB minus BC, and B is B times, and in brackets, C minus A all squared. And we are given the values of A, B, and C. A is 2, B is -3, and C equals 4. So we have to evaluate these expressions by substituting the values of A, B, and C. Evaluate means to find the value of each expression. So A is 2 times B. B is -3, so 2 times -3 minus BC. B is -3 and C is 4. So it's -3 times 4. So let us work this out. We are multiplying 2 by -3. 2 is plus 2. So the first rule I'm going to tell you about with signs is that when you're multiplying a plus sign times a negative sign, you always get a negative. So 2 times -3 is -6. Then we have -3 times 4. -3 is like -1 times -3. This is the next rule of multiplication of signs. If you are multiplying like signs, you always get a positive. A minus times a minus is a positive. A plus, a positive times a positive is also a positive. So -3. A minus times a minus is a plus. So that's +3 times 4, which is 12. Plus 12. And so -6 plus 12, that's the next rule that concerns addition involving signs. -6 plus 12, you have unlike signs. Anytime you have that situation, you subtract and keep the sign of the bigger number. So 12 minus 6 is 6. And the plus sign is by the 12, so the answer will be +6. That's it. Let's go to the second part. B times C minus A all squared. Let us substitute. B is -3 times C is 4. minus, and a is 2. So we have substituted, squared. On the bottommost rule, we know we must do the bracket first. So do the bracket first, we'll get 4 minus 2 is 2. So this is minus 3 times 2 all squared. Then you square before you multiply. So we squared 2 to get 4. So it's minus 3 times 4. And so the answer is minus 3 times plus 4. We multiply in unlike signs of minus times a plus. So we'll get a negative, and 3 times 4 is 12. Let's go to the now. Look at this example. This is another way substitution can come. Let's see what it says. If A, that's an asterisk, if A asterisk B equals A squared minus B, you have to evaluate 5 asterisk 2. All that means is that, look at A asterisk B and 5 asterisk 2. It means that A is 5 and B is 2. So all you have to do is substitute 5 for A and 2 for B. So we write 5 asterisk 2 equals A is 5, so 5 squared minus 2. That's it. And that equals, you square first, 5 squared is 25, and 25 minus 2 equals 23. So look out for sums like this. Okay. It is a substitution problem. Let's move on. Let us look at this last example, number 3. We have the values of A, B, and C. A is negative 1, B is 2, and C is negative 3. We have 2 negative numbers here. Find the value of 1A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C equals, we substitute for A is negative 1. Let's put it in brackets. Plus B is 2. Plus C is negative 3. So note I put the negatives in a bracket to avoid, for example, 2 signs coming together, like plus minus together. Instead, plus minus 3 in brackets. That equals, you can take out the brackets now, minus 1 plus 2, and a plus minus 3, a plus times a minus is a minus, so that's minus 3. And here now, we have to add minus 1 plus 2 minus 3. This is how you can do it. If you add negative numbers together, you'll get a negative. A negative 1, negative 3 is a negative 4. So we can do that. We have only one plus sign here, so we can put down the plus 2. We don't have to put a plus because that means plus 2. And negative 1, negative 3 is negative 4. So what is 2 minus 4? 2 minus 4, you add in unlike signs. You have a plus 2 and a minus 4. You always subtract when you have that situation and keep the sign of the larger number. So when you subtract 4 minus 2, you get 2, and the minus sign is by the bigger number, so the answer is negative 2. That's it. So that is substitution. So try some on your own. You can go to a maths textbook, look for substitution, and try to see if you can get answers on your own. Next time, looking at simplification of algebraic expression, writing an algebraic expression in its simplest form when you can. If you like this video, please press the button below and subscribe to my channel. You can also like the video and share the video. I will see you all next time.